Imagine falling into a black hole, and instead of being crushed, you enter a place where time becomes a physical dimension you can walk through. That's exactly what happens in Interstellar. But here's the real question. Was that scene just science fiction? Or was it actually grounded in real physics? Today, we're breaking down the most mind-bending scene in modern cinema, the Tesseract. And by the end of this video, you'll understand not only what happened, but why it might actually be possible. Cooper detaches from the Endurance and falls into the black hole Gargantua. Instead of dying, he enters a surreal, infinite structure, a lattice of repeating rooms. These aren't random rooms, they're Murph's bedroom. Across different moments in time, every moment exists simultaneously, past, present, future, and Cooper can move through them like space. This is the Tesseract. In geometry, a tesseract is a four-dimensional cube. Just like a cube is a 3D version of a square, a tesseract is a 4D version of a cube. But here's the twist. We can't actually visualize 4D directly, so the film represents it as a 3D projection of a higher dimensional space. Think of it like a shadow. A 3D object casts a 2D shadow. Similarly, a 4D object would cast a 3D shadow, which is what we see in the film. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not separate from space. It's part of something called space-time. That means time can, in theory, be treated like a dimension. In the Tesseract, advanced beings allow Cooper to move through time the same way we move through space. Instead of remembering the past, he can physically go there. Instead of waiting for the future, he can see it. The movie hints at they, but the twist is, they are actually humans, future humans who have evolved to perceive higher dimensions. They built the Tesseract inside the black hole to help Cooper communicate with Murph. Why? Because only gravity can cross dimensions, and that's the key. Inside the Tesseract, Cooper realizes he can influence gravity. He knocks books off shelves. He manipulates dust. He sends data through Morse code using the second hand of a watch. This isn't random. It's the only force that works across dimensions. That's how he communicates quantum data needed to save humanity. At its heart, the Tesseract scene isn't just about physics. It's about love. Cooper doesn't choose a random moment. He chooses Murph. Again and again, because love transcends time, and in the film, it becomes a guiding force, almost like a signal through dimensions. Here's the truth. Black holes, higher dimensions, and space-time are real concepts, but entering a tesseract? That's still theoretical. However, the film worked with real physicist Kip Thorne to ensure the science was as accurate as possible. So while the visuals are fictional, the ideas are not. So next time you watch Interstellar, remember, you're not just watching science fiction, you're looking at a possible future where time is a place and love is the force that guides us through it. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more mind-blowing space content, because the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined.